Welcome back to the fourth episode of Explained. Today we are going to explore the invisible. We are going to look at what textiles are really made of. I'm going to start to tell you why we need to analyze textiles. Then we will go on to take a look at textile identification and textile quantification. Lastly, we will explore the use cases and the possibilities it offers. So why do we need to analyze textiles? Each year, thousands of metric tons of textile fibers are produced, and it is becoming crucial to process, recycle, and treat them correctly depending on their composition. This helps to minimize individual and industrial waste. It is also becoming more important to differentiate between certain fabrics or determine whether textiles are made from natural or synthetic fibers. Information like this is of use to many, including businesses and individuals avoiding fraudulent fabrics or ensuring that consumers don't suffer from textile allergies. Today, we are going to look at the differences between identification and quantification of textiles and the possibilities mobile textile analysis creates. Let's start with textile identification. When identifying textiles, you are analyzing their composition to determine what material they are made of. So for example, you might measure a textile and the result is that it's cotton, polyester, silk or wool. So you don't actually get information about the exact composition. There's no percentage involved. When using mobile textile analysis, this can be done wherever you are, at work, at the warehouse or in the field. On the other hand, there is textile quantification. When quantifying textiles, you don't just determine what your fabric is made of, but also how much of a certain fiber is present in your sample. So for example, you may measure your textile sample and it's made from cotton and polyester. So the result would be 80% polyester and 20% cotton. Let's take a look at the use cases. So for example, you could use mobile textile analysis to inspect incoming goods more easily. Testing incoming fabrics as they arrive without having to send them to the laboratory and wait for the results is a big step. This allows you to react to changes in quality and authenticity immediately and resolve uncertainties with all parties much sooner. It also saves money and resources as the cost for lab analysis can be minimized and less experienced employees can conduct the testing. You can also use mobile textile analysis to ensure quality of produced fabrics and fibers. So for example, you can check the raw materials and fibers you produce before processing them further and ensure that quality parameters are met. So for example, with yarns. Doing this allows you to improve flaws in the composition of produced fabrics before selling them to your customers. Another example is the recycling of textiles. Globally, an estimated 92 million tons of textile waste is created yearly, as textiles are rather difficult to recycle. The use of mobile textile analysis allows for more precise sorting of fabrics, even on a small scale, and consequently leads to a more suitable recycling process. Check out episode 2 of Explained for detailed information. Lastly, another example, identifying fabrics to treat them correctly. So think about cleaning services, industrial laundries, or even just your own home. There are many situations in which fabrics, such as carpets, clothing, or upholstery, require cleaning, but cannot be treated with the right agents due to missing information about their material composition. This often leads to damaged textiles because of unnecessarily aggressive cleaning agents or unsatisfactory results like persistent stains. Mobile textile analysis enables you to determine what fabrics are made of and treat them correctly with the appropriate level of care. As you can see, mobile textile analysis can make a difference for individual work lines and contribute to more sustainable handling of textiles on a larger scale. You should now have a better understanding of textile identification and quantification and of possible use cases. If you have any further questions or if you have a use case in mind that you would like to discuss, make sure to contact us at inquiry@senorics.com. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so that you get a notification when the next episode is online. Have a good day, and I'll see you next time.